Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's lesson, we will explore a long and engaging conversation about family members. You will learn practical English vocabulary, practice natural sentences, and gain confidence discussing family relationships, daily life, traditions, and bonding. To stay connected with our latest lessons, subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Now, let's begin.
Good morning, David. I was thinking about my family yesterday and realized how close we are.
Good morning, Anna. That's nice. Family is very important for support and happiness.
How big is your family?
I have a small family. It's just my parents, my sister, and me.
That sounds lovely. I have a bigger family with 3 brothers and 2 cousins living with us.
Wow, that must be lively and full of energy.
Yes, our house is always noisy, especially during meal times.
I can imagine more people, more conversations and laughter.
Who is the oldest in your family?
My father is the oldest, followed by my mother, then my sister, and I'm the youngest.
Are you the youngest in your family? You must have enjoyed a lot of attention.
Yes, being the youngest has its advantages, but also responsibilities to learn from my elder siblings.
Do you get along well with your sister?
Yes, most of the time, we sometimes argue, but we always support each other.
That's good. My brothers and I often fight, but we care about each other deeply.
That's normal in families, arguments happen, but love keeps everyone together.
Who in your family do you feel closest to?
Probably my mother. She's very caring and always listens to my problems.
That's wonderful. My grandmother is the one I feel closest to. She always gives me advice and tells stories.
Grandparents are special. They share wisdom and family traditions.
Do you have any family traditions?
Yes. Every Sunday we have lunch together and we talk about our week.
That's lovely. In my family, we celebrate birthdays and festivals together with special meals.
Celebrations make family bonds stronger and create happy memories.
Who usually cooks in your family?
My mother does most of the cooking, but sometimes my father helps on weekends.
That's nice teamwork. In my house, everyone helps in the kitchen, and we enjoy cooking together.
Cooking together can be fun and teaches children responsibility.
Do you have a favorite family member?
I love all my family members, but I have a special bond with my sister because we share hobbies.
That's sweet. I enjoy spending time with my brothers, playing games and watching movies together.
Family activities are great for creating shared memories and fun experiences.
How often do you visit your extended family?
We try to meet them during holidays and special occasions, but sometimes it's hard due to distance.
I see. My cousins live nearby, so we meet almost every weekend.
That's wonderful. Being close geographically makes family gatherings easier.
Who is the funniest person in your family?
That's definitely my father. He always makes jokes and lightens the mood.
That's great. In my family, my youngest brother is the funniest. He can make everyone laugh even on stressful days.
Humor is an important part of family life. It keeps everyone happy and connected.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do. I enjoy their company and the sense of security it gives.
I live with my parents and siblings too. It's busy, but I love the support and love we share.
Living together helps build strong relationships and teaches compromise.
Who is the most responsible in your family?
My mother. She manages the household and helps everyone stay organized.
That's admirable. My eldest brother is the most responsible. He looks after my younger siblings and helps my parents.
Responsibility in a family helps everyone feel supported and safe.
Do you have family pets?
Yes, we have a dog. He's like another family member and brings joy to everyone.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Max. He's very playful and loves spending time with all of us.
His name is Max. He's very playful and loves spending time with all of us.
That's cute. Pets really make a family feel warmer.
That's cute. Pets really make a family feel warmer.
Absolutely. They bring joy and teach responsibility.
Who usually plans family trips in your house?
My father, he enjoys organizing trips and making sure everyone has fun.
In my family, my mother plans most trips, but everyone helps decide activities.
That's a great way to involve everyone and make the trip enjoyable.
Do you celebrate holidays with your family?
Yes, we celebrate Christmas, New Year, and our cultural festivals together.
Same here. Festivals are a time for family bonding and making memories.
Exactly, they remind us how important family is.
Who's the best storyteller in your family?
My grandmother, she tells stories about our ancestors and family history.
That's wonderful. My grandfather tells amazing stories from his childhood too.
Listening to family stories keeps traditions alive and connects generations.
Do you have family dinners every night?
Not every night, but we try to have at least 3 dinners together each week.
That's nice. In my family, we eat together most nights and talk about our day.
Family dinners are great for communication and building trust.
Do you share household chores with your family?
Yes, everyone helps. My sister and I wash dishes and clean our rooms.
That's good. In my house, everyone has their own responsibilities, which teaches discipline.
Exactly, chores help children learn responsibility and teamwork.
Who in your family is the most patient?
My mother, she is calm and handles stressful situations very well.
That's admirable. My eldest brother is very patient, especially with my younger siblings.
Patience is a key quality for maintaining harmony in families.
Who in your family gives the best advice?
My grandmother, she has a lot of life experience and always gives wise guidance.
That's lovely. My mother is also very wise and supportive in making decisions.
Wise advice from family members can guide us through tough situations.
Do you celebrate birthdays together?
Yes, we always have a small party with cake and gifts for the person whose birthday it is.
That's wonderful. Birthdays are a special way to show love and appreciation.
Exactly, it strengthens family bonds and creates joyful memories.
Do you like spending holidays with extended family?
Yes, it's fun to meet cousins, aunts, and uncles and play games together.
I love that too. My family gathers for big meals and storytelling sessions.
Family gatherings are also great for learning about traditions and family history.
Who is the most helpful person in your family?
My father, he's always willing to help everyone, whether it's homework or chores.
That's inspiring. In my house, my eldest brother is very helpful with younger siblings.
Helping others in the family builds empathy and strengthens relationships.
Do you often argue with your family?
Sometimes, especially with my sister, but we always make up quickly.
That's normal. My brothers and I argue too, but it never affects our love for each other.
Arguments can actually help us learn communication and patience.
Who in your family is the most organized?
My mother, she keeps the house neat and ensures everything runs smoothly.
Do you enjoy family outings?
Yes, we go to parks, museums, or beaches on weekends.
That's great. My family often goes hiking or picnics together.
Outdoor activities bring family closer and keep everyone active.
Who is the most creative in your family?
My sister, she loves drawing and making crafts.
That's wonderful. My youngest brother is very creative with music and art.
Creativity adds fun and inspiration to family life.
Who in your family wakes up the earliest?
My father, he starts the day by exercising and preparing breakfast.
That's disciplined. My mother wakes up early too to get everything ready for the day.
Early routines set a good example for children.
Do you like celebrating anniversaries with your family?
Yes, we celebrate my parents' wedding anniversary with a small party.
That's sweet. In my family, we celebrate grandparents' anniversaries too.
Celebrations remind family members of love and togetherness.
Who is the funniest person in your family?
My father, he always makes jokes and keeps the mood light.
That's lovely. In my family, my youngest brother is the comedian.
Humor strengthens bonds and makes family life enjoyable.
Do you help your younger siblings with homework?
Yes, I help my sister with math and science.
That's great. I help my younger brothers with reading and writing.
Supporting siblings helps them succeed and builds trust.
Who is the most hardworking in your family?
My mother, she manages everything efficiently and never complains.
That's admirable. My eldest brother is very hardworking, balancing school and chores.
Hard work inspires others and sets a positive example.
Do you go on vacations with your family?
Yes, every year we try to go somewhere new and explore together.
That's exciting. My family loves traveling during summer holidays.
Vacations create lasting memories and strengthen family relationships.
Who in your family is the most caring?
My grandmother, she always notices when someone feels sad or needs help.
That's wonderful. My mother is very caring and always makes sure everyone is happy.
Caring family members make life comforting and warm.
How often do you call or visit relatives?
We call them regularly and visit during holidays or special occasions.
I do the same. Staying in touch keeps family relationships strong.
Communication is key in maintaining connections, even at a distance.
Who is the most adventurous in your family?
My younger sister, she loves trying new activities and exploring new places.
That's exciting. My youngest brother is adventurous too. He loves sports and challenges.
Adventurous family members encourage others to step out of their comfort zones.
Who usually disciplines the children in your family?
My parents handle discipline together with fairness and patience.
In my family, my parents do the same. Rules and guidance are important for children.
Discipline teaches responsibility and respect in a loving environment.
Who in your family gives the best hugs?
My mother, she has the warmest hugs that make you feel safe.
That's lovely. My grandmother gives the best hugs, they feel magical.
I know what you mean. My grandfather's hugs always make me feel safe.
Do you have family movie nights?
Yes, every weekend we watch a movie together with popcorn.
That sounds fun. My family does the same on Fridays.
Movie nights are a simple way to relax and bond.
Who is the best singer in your family?
My father, he sings during celebrations and makes everyone happy.
That's wonderful. My younger brother sings beautifully and entertains everyone.
Talent in the family adds joy and entertainment.
How do you celebrate important festivals?
We decorate the house, cook special meals, and invite relatives.
My family does the same. Festivals bring everyone together and strengthen our bonds.
Yes, family traditions are very important.
Do you help your parents with grocery shopping?
Yes, I usually help on weekends.
That's good. I help my parents too, it's a way to learn responsibility.
That's good. I help my parents too, it's a way to learn responsibility.
Who tells the best jokes in your family?
My younger sister, she always makes everyone laugh at family dinners.
That's lovely. My brothers are very funny too, especially when we play together.
Humor makes family life joyful and stress-free.
Do you have family reunions?
Yes, every year we have a reunion with cousins, aunts, and uncles.
I love family reunions. They're full of games, food, and laughter.
Reunions remind us how large and connected our families are.
Who in your family is the best listener?
My grandmother, she listens patiently and gives thoughtful advice.
That's wonderful. My mother is also a great listener.
Listening shows care and strengthens relationships.
Who wakes up the latest in your family?
My sister, definitely. She loves sleeping in on weekends.
That's funny. My youngest brother sleeps late too, especially during holidays.
Sleep habits are a funny part of family life.
Do you have family game nights?
Yes, we play board games and card games every month.
That sounds fun. My family loves playing charades and puzzles together.
Games teach cooperation and bring laughter into family life.
Who in your family is the most adventurous in food?
My father loves trying new recipes and tastes from other cultures.
That's interesting. My brothers love trying different dishes too.
Sharing meals and exploring new foods strengthens family connections.
Who is the most caring when someone is sick?
My mother, she nurses everyone back to health with patience and love.
That's sweet. My grandmother does the same.
Caring family members make tough times easier.
Do you enjoy spending weekends at home with family?
Yes, it's relaxing, and we enjoy each other's company.
Then let's always cherish family, spend time together, and support one another.
Absolutely, family is the heart of happiness and the foundation of life.